Hi. Hi, little man. Say hi to the camera.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Hi, Joey.
Wow.
My monkey boy. My monkey boy.
Mm.
I got him running away from you before you get his tail. Mama, hi.
You get the look that he's just a little bit
Yeah.
tired.
Did he sleep good last night?
Yeah, it is really well. Are you going trick-or-treating, Joey? Here, you want to take the bucket with him this time?
Good job.
Mike,
Okay, over here. Ring the doorbell.
here's your bucket. Jojo,
Good
Joey.
job. You got it. That's okay. It's enough.
Here.
You see that pumpkin that was carved in the
I saw some now. That was all lit up in
Oh, and this one that had a
Say trick-or-treat. Oh, hi, Kate. Joey. What do you have? Joey.
Because I ain't giving that away. I'm eating it.
Joey's figured out what trick-or-treating is about.
Yeah. Yeah, what y'all got there? You better put it back in there, though, honey.
Hi. There we go. Hey, Joey. Did you have fun trick-or-treating? Yeah. That was fun? Yeah, you did, didn't you?
That was fun.
Especially after you got what it was all about. Okay, let's go have dinner. Let's go have dinner. Okay? No, Joey, no. No, Joey, no. I'm sorry. Let's go get your candy. Let's go get your candy.